XenonStack is creating an ecosystem for data and AI in beloved Chandigarh and Punjab, delivering technical session all across North India, on big data and AI. Around 100 plus sessions delivered in last 10 years. Roadshow to promote big data and AI. Running open source meetups, Pi Data Chandigarh and CNCF Chandigarh. Building up community Chandigarh.ai for technology awareness and adoption. Supported Neuron Labs with Cloud AI Labs. Our leadership published 2 books on AI. We started our journey from garage, and organically scales the team and infrastructure. Real-time analytics on Twitter feeds for Football World Cup 2014. Continuous experimentation is in the DNA of XenonStack people. Continuous experimentation and innovation to solve the business problems. Launched few products throughout the journey. Joined partner programs and attained competencies. We reignite annually to celebrate our people and partners. Expanding operations in Dubai, Manchester, and Dallas. For private 5G, generative AI and real-time data and AI. Enabling personal and professional development of our people. Maverick program, experimental Saturdays, SkillUps training, certifications, and technology radar. Fostering a cultivation culture and enabling people to learn 10 moves for collaboration and effective communication. XenonStack believe in empowering people and engaging them through different programs. They are heart and soul of the organization. Crafting the solutions with innovative ways. We celebrate our heroes and push people to develop experimental mindset towards continuous improvement.
We are